Hey guys, welcome to our first video of this prompt engineering course. I'm so thrilled to welcome all of you guys to this exciting world of prompt engineering. This course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive introduction to the fundamental principles, methodologies, and all possible applications of prompt engineering. With the help of theoretical concepts and practical exercises, you'll be able to gain a solid understanding of various prompt engineering disciplines, their role in solving real-world problems, and all those things that are related to prompt engineering. We discussed the course overview, like what exactly are we going to be learning in this course. So yeah, we have 5 sections for you guys in this course. So first of all, we'll start with a brief introduction about the course and the outline. Then we have like the basics and prerequisites, which will include everything like about ChatGPT, its website layout, some of the important terminologies as well that you need to know before getting started to prompt engineering. And then we'll see some of the modifiers as well, prompt engineering practices and its principle. All right, the next section will include all those possible types of prompting that are really important for you guys and that you really need to know if you want to master the amazing skills of prompt engineering. And then we'll also see some daily life scenarios, some real world problems, like how you can implement prompt engineering techniques and open AI in your daily life and get your work done very efficiently. And the last section will include some ethics and consideration as well, which are also really important if you want to interact with AI in a good way and you want that to give you the best output possible for you. All right, so once again, I welcome all of you and I'm really excited to be with all of you guys in this exciting journey of prompt engineering.